told today the graphical representation. Algebraically, I have already represented the situations. Now we are going to represent graphically. Okay.
Sir.
I can share the screen now. Mr. Charita is admitting, coming, going. Network problem, what? I don't know. Okay. Now I'm sharing the screen. In exercise 3.1, the graphical representation of the first equation, when first sum, the first equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 42, and the second equation is x minus 3y equal to minus 6. Okay. Kaushik now joined. Now you have to find, to draw the graph means you have to find the solutions. So the first equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 42. And now you have to give the values for x, then you can get y value, finding y value. So first what I take means we can take x equal to 0. We can take anyway, you can give values for y also, then you can get x values. Now x equal to 0. Substitute in place of x 0, 0 minus 7y equal to minus 42. Then my voice is audible to everyone? Unmute and tell anyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I substitute x equal to 0, then 0 minus 7y equal to minus 42, minus 7y equal to minus 42. Then both sides minus, then you can get cancel. Y equal to 42 by 7, 6. Then the first solution is 0, 6. Now next what I take x equal to minus 7. Why I take x equal to minus 7 means, if I take any other number, I will get rational number. I already told, to draw the graph means you have to get only integers. You should not get rational numbers. If fractions are there means you cannot place the point. You can keep the point on the graph sheet is difficult. That's why I tried, which are going in 7 table, those numbers I took. So now I take x equal to minus 7. So in place of x, substitute minus 7 minus 7y equal to minus 42. Then minus 7 you can transpose to RHS. Then if you transpose, what happens? It becomes plus. So minus 7y equal to minus 42 plus 7. So minus 7y equal to minus 35. Then y equal to 35 by 7. Y equal to 5. Now the second solution is minus 7 comma 5. Okay. And then next, now the third solution for that I take x equal to 7. So in place of x, I substitute 7. 7 minus 7y equal to minus 42. Minus 7y equal to minus 42 plus 7. If you transpose to RHS, it becomes minus. So minus 7y equal to minus 49. Therefore, y is equal to minus 49 by minus 7. Then y is equal to 7. Now the solution is 7 comma 7. To draw the graph of the linear equation means you have to find minimum 3 solutions. So we got the 3 solutions. First I take x equal to 0, then I got y value 6. I take x equal to minus 7, then I got y equal to 5. I take x equal to 7, then I got y is equal to 7. So these are the 3 solutions I got. Now now we copy these solutions in the book. You copy it solutions. Copy it, Amma, fastly. That's why I told read rough book. Fastly copy 3 solutions. You can take any your own solutions also, no problem. Which are going in 7 table only, because x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Should not get fractions. If fractions came means you cannot plot properly in the graph sheet. That's why you took x equal to 0, first solution. Then I got 6 y value, and then next x equal to minus 7. I take y equal to 5. I got the solution is minus 7 comma 5. I take x equal to 7, then y equal to 7 I got. So x is equal to 7 comma 7. This is the first equation. x minus 7y equal to minus 40. That equation solutions I wrote. Okay. Copy that. One unmute and tell. Then I can
Yes, sir.
Sir.
over.
Yes, sir.
First
Sir.
equation solutions over.
Oh, sir, once.
You can try with your own numbers also. You can
Sir,
take.
sir. One upper one, sir.
Okay. Where you are? Okay.
Sir, wait, sir, 1 minute.
Write down. 20 only are joined today. Whether other problem or I don't know. You can take y values also. You can give values for y. You can find x value also. I give values and I find y value. You can give values for y. You can find x values also. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Now the second equation. Second equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now again I took x equal to 0. Then in place of x, substitute 0 minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by minus 3 minus 2. So the first solution is 0 comma minus 2. Okay, and then next I take x equal to 3. Why I take 3 means which are going 3 tables. That's why I took those numbers. If I take 1, I had to get 5 by 3 something. I can't get fractions, that to keep in mind. So now x equal to 3, 3 minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6 minus 3, minus 3y equal to 3, y equal to 3 by minus 3, minus 1. So 3 comma minus 1 is the second solution. And now I take x equal to minus is the third solution. In place of x, I kept minus 3 comma minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6, minus here transposing to RHS means it becomes plus. So I think 2 more are waiting, I think. Sir, my network is not stable. I did not have textbook, sir. No problem. You can copy here. Your voice is breaking. See, network problem, Vinita. Now x equal to minus 3. Now is it audible to all?
Sir, one upper one, sir.
Wait. X equal to minus 3 minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6 plus 3, 9, minus 3y equal to 9, y equal to 9 by minus 3, that equal to minus 3. Okay, now the solution is minus 3 comma minus 3. So x equal to 0 I take, I got minus 2. X equal to 3 I take, I got minus 1. X equal to minus 3 I take, I got minus 3. So, understand na? Now you can copy it. Second equation solutions. I took which are going in 3 table. You can give values for y and you can find x value also, no problem. You can get solutions, but you should not get rational numbers. That you keep in mind, because plotting fractions means it is difficult. That's why try to get integers only. That's why you try it. You can give values for y and find x values also. Ma, drawing graph means finding solutions is most important. Everyone should know this. Everyone got my point? Everyone?
Sir, first equation you have to take 7, sir.
Yes. 7,
7, sir.
0 minus 7. 7 table, which are going 7 table.
Okay, sir.
Unmute your. Then, okay, good. Should unmute after asking question, you can unmute. Then everyone should, the voice is audible to everyone. Copied, Over. Now I'm sharing the graph. Once see. Now you don't copy the graph. You have to do at home graph. You have to do solutions I given. You have to draw the graph. See the graph you get like this. See my first coordinates is -7, 5. This is -7x and 5y. Y equal to 5. -7, 5. I plotted. Next second solution is x equal to 0 and y equal to 6. 0, 6. And next my third point is solution is 7, 7. 7 x 7 y 7. So I got a straight line. I got for x minus 7y equal to minus 42. No need to draw. You have to draw at home. Just you see. Now my second equation is x minus 3y equal to 6. First solution is -3, -3. And the second solution is 0, -2. And the third solution is 3, -1. Okay. Now I got a straight line. X minus 3y equal to 6. Solutions are given. You can draw the graph. Straight line. See here. You did not get parallel lines, Amma. Don't think these are the parallel lines. They can meet somewhere. Definitely get a solution. Okay, these are not the parallel lines. You get a solution. Scale also I mentioned here. You see. Scale I have taken scale x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only. Understand? You have to draw the graph. You don't draw now. Solutions there now. You can plot the points and draw the graph. Should get graph. It's not parallel lines. Anyone can say why it is not parallel lines? The distance is here different, here less. Here it is more, here it is less. That's why these two lines are meeting on x positive axis side. They can meet somewhere. Okay, that's why you'll get definitely solution. Okay, understand? Can you go next sum? Ma, oh Shravani, mute once, mute.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now unmute. Mute your. Yes, good. Now you're going to next. Second one is the graphical representation of 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. X plus 3y equal to 1300. You got algebraic representation. Now we have to draw the graph for first equation 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. If you observe the number in thousands. See, according to that is in thousands. So here 3 table is going all the numbers. 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Divided by 3 on both sides. And we have to simplify the equation. Divided by 3 on both sides means x plus 2y equal to 1300. I simplified the equation. Okay. Now, here 1300 is then a number. If I take 1, what happens? I got 1291. I got something fraction. That's why I can take in hundreds. The values you can take in hundreds. Then y also will come hundreds only. Then I can change the scale. Y equal hundreds. In hundreds I can take. Now I cannot take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit now. I can take 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. That's why I have taken 100. Why I taken 100 means the number is 1300 is here. That's why I take x equal to 100. You can take in hundreds. Any number you can take. But it is going in 2 tables. That's why first I took 100. Then 100 plus 2y equal to 1300. 2y equal to 1300 minus 100. Plus 100 here transpose na. It becomes minus 100. Then 2y equal to 1200. Then y equal to 1200 by 2, 600. So my first solution is 100, 600. Why I took 100? Everyone know. Everyone understand. Everyone got my point. Because the number is more. 1300 x plus 2y equal to 1300 is there. That's why I took 100. Now I can change my scale also in hundreds only. Now I took second value x equal to 300. 300 plus 2y equal to 1300. Now 300 you transpose to RHS. 2y equal to 1300 minus 300. 2y equal to 1000. Y equal to 1000 by 2. 500 I got. So my second solution is 300, 500. Everyone following? Now the third solution, x equal to 500. 500 plus 2y equal to 1300. 2y equal to 1300 minus 500. Plus 500 transposing now, it becomes minus 500. Then 2y equal to 800. Then y equal to 800 by 2, 400. Then my solution is 500 comma 400. So I got 3 solutions minimum. You can take more also. 100 I gave, then I got y value 600. 300 I gave for x, I got 500. 500 I gave, I got y value 400. Like this, I gave values for x. You can give values for y also. But the main point, you remember, you should not get fraction numbers. Okay, now I'm going back. You can copy it. Any doubts, once unmute and you can ask. Unmute, only one student unmute and ask your doubt. If you have any doubt, copy it. Fastly, that's why I told write in the book only. After completion of this exercise, neatly, you can copy in class or book. These 3 sums, neatly, including graph, you can complete in a class or book. Okay, fastly. Already time 9:23, running fastly. I tell one more sum also. I had to explain one more sum also. And keeping upward. Okay, fast. Anyone having doubt, unmute your, and then you can ask, you can raise your doubt. I can clarify your doubt here itself. I gave values for x, I find y value. You can give values for y and you can find x value also. But main point, you remember, you should not get fractional numbers, because if fractions are there means it is unable to plot the points. That's why you have to try to get only integers. This is rupees price na, we are getting positive numbers. That's why cost, here it is the cost of bat and ball na, that's why we are getting only whole numbers. Over.
No, sir.
No, fast. Little bit fast. Time is running. One more sum I have to explain. Yes,
Over, sir.
okay, over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone not completed? Once unmute and tell. Kaushik, you following Kaushik? Kaushik,
Sir.
are you following?
Sir.
Okay. Copy it neatly. Kaushik, you only. Now my second equation is x plus 3y equal to 1300. Here I am not getting any cancellation. Directly I can give values for x. I gave first x equal to 100. Why I took 100 also I told, because the number is 1300. That's why I took in hundreds. Then I can take my scale also in hundreds only. Take x equal to 100. 100 plus 3y equal to 1300. 3y plus 100 you can transpose to RHS, it becomes minus 100. So 3y equal to 1300 minus 100. 3y equal to 1200. Y equal to 1200 by 3, 400. So my first solution is 100 comma 400. Then next I take the value x equal to 400. 400. Why I take 400 means because it is going in 3 tables. That's why. Like that you have to see. That's why I take after 100. I can't take 200. If I take 200, 1100 by 3 will come. Again problem. That's why I took 400. 400 plus 3y equal to 1300 plus 400. If I transpose, it becomes minus 400. 3y equal to 1300 minus 400. 3y equal to 900. Y equal to 900 by 3, 300. My second solution is 400 comma 300. And now I take x equal to 700. Again, I told now why I'm taking first 100, then 400, then 700, because they have to go in 3 tables. That's why like that. You also think and you take the values. plus 700 you can transpose to RHS. Then 3y equal to 1300 minus 700, 3y equal to 600, y equal to 600 with 3, 200. Then my third solution is 700 comma 200. Then I give x equal to 100. I take x equal to 100, then y value 400 I got. I take x equal to 400, y 300. I take x equal to 700, y you got 200. Okay, and copy Amma solutions.
Sir, you have to copy this in notebook, sir.
Rough book I don't know why rough book I said na.
After this, sir.
After all completion of 3 sums, you can neatly copy in class book. Exercise 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any screen share I shared, that also you have to copy. I told yesterday also something I told to copy. Then also that also. 3.1 exercise you have to write neatly in a class book. Copy it fastly. Can I roll? For next solutions. Next solution. Copied.
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Write down fastly.
No,
Amma.
sir. Wait, sir.
Time is running. 8 minutes only left for us. Suppose if it is automatically and no problem, you don't need to join. If time over, if it is automatically, you don't need to join. Okay, class. Because the 8 minutes are left, I can continue my teaching till the last minute. You don't need to problem, no need to worry. Just raised her hand. Tell me your doubt. Unmute your phone and ask your doubt.
Sir, is there any test tomorrow? You said Sunday you will keep.
Not tomorrow, next Sunday.
sir.
Tomorrow I will announce the topic. Tomorrow I will keep in the group topic which chapter I will conduct test. Okay. Next
Okay,
Sunday,
sir.
14th. That is I think 14th. 14th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Well,
Copy
sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy it. Only 21 are in now. 21 only out of 37. Kindly see join network problems and all you have to see. Are you getting? Okay, over complete Amma. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next the graph I'm
Yes, sir.
showing is a graph. The first equation, the first solution is I took 100 on a scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. On y-axis also I taken x y 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. The first point is x equal to 100 means the value is 600, and x equal to 300 means the value is 500. X equal to 500 means the value is 400. This is the equation 3x plus 6y equal to 900. And then next second equation, that is x plus 3y equal to 1300. First solution I take 100, then 400, 100 comma 400, and next 400 I take, I got 300, and then next I take 700, then I got 200. Then my straight line is this one. These two lines are meeting somewhere here. You see my cursor I am showing. If you action like this, these two lines meet somewhere. That is a solution. But here it not as a solution. That's why you don't need to extend. Just he told to represent. Graphically we have represented. Understand? Scale I wrote the scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 units, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. Like that, according to sum, we have to change our scale. That's why I told these graphical sums also I'll explain. Because of scales are different scales, that's why I explained. Now I can go to third sum. The graphical representation of 2x plus y equal to 160, 4x plus 2y equal to 300. 2x plus y equal to 160 means here all are in tens. That's why I take x equal to 50. Now 50, 60, 70 like that I take multiple of 10. Previous sum multiple of 100 I took. Now I take a multiple of 10. X equal to 50 I take. Then 2x means 2 of 50. 2 into x, 2 of 50. In place of x 50. 2 of 50 plus y equal to 160. 2 of 50 means 50 into 2. 52 is 100. 100 plus y equal to 160. Y equal to 160 minus 100, that equal to 60. Then my first solution is 50 comma 60. Then my second solution is x equal to 60 I take. Then 2x, 2 of 60 plus y equal to 160. Then 120 plus y equal to 160. Y equal to 160 minus 120. Y equal to 40. Then my second solution is 60 comma 40. Then third solution I take, that is x equal to 70. 2 of 70 plus y equal to 160. 2 into 70. 72 is 140 plus y equal to 160. Y equal to 160 minus 140, that is 20. Then y equal to 20. Then x equal to 70 comma 20. So first I take x equal to 50, then I got 60. X equal to 60 I got, then y equal to 40. X equal to 70 I take, y equal to 20. Fastly you can copy it. Only 3 minutes left. Kindly copy it fastly. Time is running 3 minutes. Automatically it will close them, no problem. You have to complete the graph sums. 3 graphs you complete it. Then your 3.1 exercise will complete successfully for 2 days. Are you understanding these online classes, everyone? It is,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, is it good for you all? Okay, good. Write fastly. Unmute and write fastly. Mute your, mute. I'm scrolling.
Sir, next one. Download.
Are you taking screenshots of
Sir, once slow it down, sir.
writing? You're taking screenshots.
No, sir.
It seems that you're not writing.
Sir, once do that, sir.
Huh? You're using your technology. You're not
Scroll it up,
copying.
sir.
If you copy, then you know that the problem. Now see second equation. 4x plus 2y equal to 300. Divided by 2 on both sides. Now 2 table is going. That's why I make this equation simple. Divided by 2 table. 4x by 2 is 2x. 2y by 2 means y. 300 by 2 means 150. Now my equation is 2x plus y equal to 150. Simplifies. Again it is in multiple of 10. That's why I take again 50, 60, 70. All multiple of 10 I take. X equal to 50 means 2x of 50 plus y equal to 150. 100 plus y equal to 150. Then y equal to 150 minus 100. Y equal to 50. Then my first solution is 50 comma 50. Take x equal to 60. 2 of 60 plus y equal to 150. 120 plus y equal to 150. Y equal to 150 minus 120. 30. 60 comma 30. Next I take x equal to 70. Then 2 of 70. 140 plus y equal to 150. Y equal to 150 minus 140. Y equal to 10. 70 comma 10. So x equal to 50. Y equal to 50. X equal to 60. Y equal to 30. X equal to 70. And y equal to 10. Okay, copy it fastly, Amma. 1 minute on left.
Or sir.
Okay, copy it. 1 minute. Less than 1 minute is that automatically it will land. No problem. You can complete the 3 graphs. Solutions you got. I'm scrolling. Once I show the graph also.
Show graph, sir. We'll take screenshot.
Ready go to. See, here's the screenshot.
Sir, okay, sir.
X-axis 1 centimeter 10 units, Y-axis 1 centimeter 10 units.
Yes, sir.
50, 60 I got, 60, 40, 70, 20 like that. First equation, second equation. This also both are meeting. They are meeting somewhere.